Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making Tofu Jalfrezi, a quick vegan stir-fry recipe. Jalfrezi is popular throughout India and has a lot of British influence. More on that coming up in the recipe. Let's quickly get started. Take 500 grams of tofu. The speciality about Jalfrezi is that it's a quick stir-fried recipe and the tofu and the vegetables are cut in batons. You can use the uncooked tofu directly for this recipe, but I would suggest you to fry it a little. We shouldn't crisp the tofu, but cook it so it holds its shape and doesn't break while mixing with the sauce. To season the tofu, I'm using half teaspoon of salt followed by half teaspoon of pepper. Jalfrezi means hot fry and originated in the Bengal region and is popular throughout the Indian subcontinent. Make sure to coat the tofu well, then take the air fryer tray and add oil, which is optional, and add the tofu batons to it. Then air fry it over 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I didn't want to go for round 2 and stuff everything in this one plate. Also, I didn't flip the tofu midway and after 10 minutes it is done. As you can see, the tofu is slightly golden and not crispy like we want it. Now it's time to prepare the sauce. Heat a pan and add oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Add half finely chopped onion. Stir fry it over high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 1 inch of ginger juliennes, followed by 5 medium cloves of finely chopped garlic. Cook for 2 minutes over low heat. Continue to stir it as the garlic tends to stick to the bottom of the pan and also can get burnt easily. Then add 2 dry red chilies and 1 finely chopped green chili. Cook for a minute. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Cook over low heat for 2 minutes. Jalfrezi is such a great play of different flavors. Add water if needed. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of water. Mix it well. Make sure that everything is well incorporated. Time to add the spices. Half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix everything and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. If you're enjoying the recipe so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. As you can see, the oil has started to ooze out of the sauce and it's time for the next ingredients. Add half thinly sliced onion, sliced bell peppers, sliced tomato and mix well with the sauce till they are entirely coated. We are adding these vegetables towards the end as we need their crunch in the recipe, so don't overcook them. You can download the free vegan recipe guide, link is there in the description section. Make space to add the vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar directly onto the pan followed by the tofu. Toss the tofu gently without breaking it. Coat the tofu with the sauce. And this is another reason we don't use the crispy tofu as we need it to be soft to absorb the sauce. This recipe pairs well with some chapati, naan or you can even eat it just like that. Add the finely chopped coriander leaves and switch off the heat. And that's it. So easy and quick for a perfect midweek recipe. So if you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye. Don't forget to check out these 2 delicious vegan recipes as well.